Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will help you to understand more about computer memory. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In our previous class, I have taught you about primary memory, that this is the main memory which is predefined in a computer and it is where the data, instruction and informations are stored. Now, what are the types of primary memory? It is classified into two different parts. First, random access memory. Random access memory or RAM stores the data, instruction and information on temporary basis. When you turn off the computer, the information and data stored in this memory is lost. And when a computer starts, the operating system begins loading into RAM. Now, what is ROM? It is a type of memory from which you can only read the information stored in it, but you cannot write on it. That means the instructions stored in ROM cannot be changed. The information is permanently stored in it. Now, the types of ROM, read-only memory. So, it is divided into three different parts. First, PROM, programmable read-only memory. Second is EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. And third type is EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Now, types of secondary memory. First type is hard disk. It is an inbuilt storage device located inside the CPU box or CPU cabinet. The operating system, computer software and the most of the file are stored in the hard disk. It comes in different storage capacities such as 320 GB to 5 TB. Next type is portable hard disk. It is also known as external hard disk. It is not fixed inside the CPU cabinet. Therefore, it is a secondary memory device. It can be easily carried anywhere. CD or DVD. CD stands for compact disc. It is a thin round disc. A standard CD can store up to 700 MB of data. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. A DVD stores much more data than a CD. It can store 4.7 GB of data. Blu-ray disc. It looks like a CD or a DVD. It is used to store high definition HD videos. It can store up to 25 GB of data on each side. Next is flash drive, which is also known as pen drive. It is used for transferring data. It is a rewritable device which comes in various storage capacities such as 2 GB to 32 GB. Now, memory card. It is also known as multimedia card. These cards are tiny and are used as a storage medium in mobile phones. And portable music players. It comes in different storage capacities such as 4 GB to 32 GB.